In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Canva. Canva is a popular online tool that lets you create designs like social media posts, presentations, flyers, and much more, even if you're not a professional designer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating your Canva account for the very first time. To get started, open your web browser on your computer, laptop, or mobile device. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type the word Canva. Make sure you spell it C-A-N-V-A. Then press enter or tap the search button. You should now see a list of search results. Look for the official Canva website, which will usually appear right at the top. It should clearly mention Canva and design in the description. Go ahead and click on that link to open the Canva homepage. Once the Canva website loads, you'll see options to either log in or sign up. Since we're creating a new account, look for the button that says Sign Up. This is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. After you click Sign Up, Canva will present you with a few different ways to create your account. Depending on what's available, you might see options to sign up with an email address, or by using an existing account such as Google, Facebook, or another service. Choose the method that feels most convenient and secure for you. If you decide to sign up with an email address, you'll be asked to type in your email and create a password. Take a moment to choose a password that is strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Then follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Canva may ask for your name and sometimes what you plan to use Canva for, such as personal, work, or education. Just select the options that best match your situation. If you sign up using an existing account like Google, you will be redirected to a confirmation screen where you'll log into that service and allow Canva to connect. Simply follow the instructions shown on your screen and confirm when prompted. Once you've completed these steps, Canva will finish setting up your account and take you to your new dashboard.